What is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video. We have a handful of properties to finish up the week, then we're going to get on to the weekend. But anyways, guys, I just want to talk to you guys about the GIE Expo. This is my first time at the Expo. I cannot wait to go. I'm telling you right now, I'm super excited. It is like the lawn care landscapers absolute freaking paradise, from what I hear, from what I see on the internet, and on YouTube, and all the guys, you know, on Instagram, all that stuff. It looks like it's just a heck of a time. So yeah, so we're gonna be talking about that. We're gonna get some footage in and out a little bit of the day to day, but mainly this is gonna be talked about the GIE Expo and some things I'm looking forward to, and some things that you guys should know about the GIE, and also some things for you guys to know, to where if you see me, I'm gonna have some stuff for you guys. So anyways, guys, let's get this thing going.
Better off as strangers. Believe me when I say, loving me is loving danger. Your heart is bound to break. I'll walk alone in the night, neath the pale moon. Loving's for the fools. Baby, beware of my bite. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Alright guys, we got the gear all loaded up. Let's get to the first property.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Yeah, as you can see, that is a far drive from my house. Right up there. So yeah, so this is the first property. I'll get some footage of it. Let's get this thing going. Alright guys, so we got one down. It looks like another batch of rain coming in like soon, so we'll see how many I actually get done today. But anyways guys, I am super excited for the GIE. This is my first year going to it. I don't really know what to expect other than just pure chaos from what it sounds like. I said there's so many people there, so much going on, whether you're inside the expo itself or you're outside. I guess it's like 25 acres of open ground to where you can demo anywhere from aerators, stand-on aerators, to lawnmowers, to bobcats, to front loaders, skid steers. I mean, it just sounds like there's just so much to do with only a couple days to cover as much as you want. There's not too many specific booths that I want to hit. I really want to go to, especially the guys that, you know, equipment I use, so it'd be Stihl, Hustler. I want to stop by the Echo booth because they're a big brand, so I definitely want to go check them out. I want to see the right guys, but the biggest thing though is there's a bunch of like small companies that are trying to get into the lawn care industry with, you know, random types of product that could be beneficial. So that's another thing I'm excited to see, is just what kind of product is out there that really not many of us know about. But you never know, it could be a game-changing type of product to where you end up buying something. I'm gonna be there all 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. End up getting a hotel room and everything, so I'm gonna be down there for the expo. The nightlife, I heard, is freaking awesome. They have concerts downtown. All the guys that you see on YouTube and social media, they're all going to be down there, so you get to finally get to meet them, talk with them on just a personal level, you know, not necessarily through social media, Instagram, or anything like that. You actually get to see them face to face, talk with them, you know, kind of hear their story possibly, see how, you know, they started out to what they're doing now, any tips, tricks, advice that they have.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around. this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Well, as you can see there at that one, it started raining and it was thick and it was wet. I'm like 3 days behind on mowing right now because of all the rain we have gotten. So that was a double cut. All right, so now I bet you're wondering, Dylan, why do we need to see you at the GIE Expo? Well, I'll tell you. I'm gonna have some cool stuff to give away to you guys. I'm gonna be bringing a bunch of koozies. I'm gonna bring a few t-shirts. So if you come up to me and say, hey, I saw your videos, I'm a subscriber, boom, I'm gonna throw you a koozie. Now, there's gonna be limited supplies, so hopefully you catch me while I still got them. Also, guys, I would love to meet you guys. All of you that are subscribed to the channel, please come up to me and talk to me. I'll have my cameras with me, so that way, as I'm walking around, I'll be taking video. If you come up to me, I got my camera up, we'll get a video of us talking, whatever. I'll put you in the YouTube channel. If you got a YouTube channel or social media, we'll be sure to plug you in. All right, guys, we're at our last 3. Good thing here is I park in one spot and knock all 3 of them out. So let's get this going. All right, there you have it, guys. Handful of properties I had to get done by the end of the week. Man, I've been fighting rain like crazy. Rain on me today, but we got them done, thank goodness. So now it's time for the weekend. Take one last look at this bad boy. Oh yeah, that's right. Looking good though. I mean, with the rain that we've been getting and the cool temperatures, man, grass is growing and it is thick. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut it off here. I can't wait for the GIE Expo. I mean, I've been waiting to go to this thing for a few years now. Finally got the time off work to be able to go. I'm super excited to get to try out some equipment. Also super excited to see you guys. Hopefully we see y'all there. Can't wait to meet some of the guys on YouTube. I feel like I talk to them a lot on social media, but it's going to be finally nice to talk to them person to person. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, leave a comment down below. Tell me if you guys are going to the GIE Expo. Let me know what you guys are wanting to look at, whether it be a piece of equipment, just be a certain brand you're wanting to check out, some of the YouTubers or the influencers on social media, who it is you guys are wanting to see. And if you're not already a subscriber, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so that way you get a notification every time I post some content. Give this video a big thumbs up, and guys, we'll see you in the next one.